Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and connect your SIM card anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Next, you have to set up your date and time. Next, you have Google services. If you want them, you can just leave them. If you don't want them, you have an opportunity to disable them here. But in any case, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then tap accept. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can skip this step for now and do this in settings later. Then you can set up any other lock screen method. It could be PIN, pattern, password, but you can skip this step for now and set up screen lock later. And now your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.